Hello, 6th grade social studies. As you can see, I am gone today. You have a few things that you're going to get finished today. Number one, if you've not finished the lesson 39 in your workbook, that needs to be finished first. Second, in Schoology, in the Tuesday folder, there's a lesson 39 Heian Japan storyboard. You click on that, it will open up to the link. Open up the link, and it will take you to storyboard that. Here's what the storyboard looks like. There are 4 panels. The directions for each panel are on top of it. For example, the first panel says, create a diagram to illustrate the different ranks in the Heian court hierarchy from section 3. You need to have some sort of a background. You need to have at least 2 characters and 2 speech bubbles explaining the Heian court hierarchy. So I find me a background, type in Japan, see what I come up with. Oh, this looks like good for a Heian court. Pull that here, stretch it, and then lock it. So now the background doesn't move. Now I can use this to use some characters to illustrate the Heian court hierarchy, but I also need to use text boxes to explain what's going on. The second one, create an illustration to illustrate important ideas about Heian beauty, fashion, and manners. That's from section 4. You do the exact same thing. Find a good background, a couple of characters, and 2 or 3 text boxes to explain what's going on. The third one, create an illustration to illustrate an important idea about entertainment or recreation during the Heian period. That comes from section 5. So do the same thing. Find a good background, a couple of characters, some speech bubbles or text boxes to help illustrate what's going on with recreation. And the last one, create an illustration to illustrate the factors that led to the end of the Heian period. So you're going to explain what happened, which led to the decline of the Heian period. That comes from section 8. This is something that you could probably get done tomorrow. If not, you may have some time on Wednesday to get it finished. This is going to be done before the end of the week, or it goes in the gradebook as a 0. Now, as always, if your name gets left with a sub, it's an automatic level 2 when I come back. I expect people to behave. I expect people to be on their best behavior, despite who is in the room. And I will see you guys all on Wednesday. One last thing before I go. If you do get finished with lesson 39 and the storyboard, also in Schoology, there is a Japan and the Heian period and cultural history ed puzzle that you can work on. Again, my expectations, don't let your name get left, or it's a level 2 when I get back. Have a great day.